Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about call method in JavaScript. So in JavaScript we have the predefined built-in call method. So the call method can be used to call a method with object as an argument. So with the use of the call method, one object can use method belonging to another object. So like an example, we have one function called print, and this function just console log the name. So we're gonna print this dot name. Now suppose we have object person1 with the name property and another object person2 with the name as Ram. So here we have two objects and one function. So here the print method belongs to the global object. So normally the object person2 or person1 cannot use the print function, but with the use of the call method this can be possible. So for this we have to write print dot call, and the call method takes object as argument. So here we can pass person1 and you can see we have this output. So now the object person1 is using the print function. So now this dot name refers to the name of the person1. Similarly also we can pass person2 inside the call method, and now the person2 is using that function. So now this dot name refers to the name of the person2, and also inside the call method we can pass arguments to the function. Suppose the function takes one age parameter and it prints the age of that person. Now to pass the age parameter we have to pass it through the call method. So we have to pass it as a second parameter, and now you can see we have this output. So this way, with the use of call method, any object can call function belonging to another object. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.